Transgender men are appealing a local judge's decision not to let them legally change their names. Superior Court Judge David Roper said allowing a transgender man to choose a male name would, quote, confuse or mislead the general public, end quote. Ann Maxwell spoke to both men appealing the case and their attorney today. She's live in the newsroom tonight. Ann.
Thanks, John. Judge Roper rejected petitions from Rowan Feldhaus and Andrew Baumert to legally change their names. Now their cases have been consolidated and they are in the process of appealing the judge's decision, which their attorney is calling sexist. 25-year-old Rowan Feldhaus and 21-year-old Andrew Baumert both identify as male, but their driver's licenses and school records identify them as Rebecca and Delphine, the names they were born with.
Just any simple interactions. It gets confusing.
They say it makes basic tasks like sending an email or ordering a drink complicated.
Recently had to travel over the past couple weekends, and I had to have Rebecca Elizabeth on my reservations, but when I came in there, I can see the shock on their faces.
About a year ago, both Feldhaus and Baumert spent hundreds of dollars to begin the process of legally changing their names. When they finally went before Superior Court Judge David Roper, Feldhaus in March and Baumert in June, they were disappointed.
It really was kind of like humiliating to walk out of there. It was a big mixture of feelings like angry, upset, humiliated, all of those things.
Their requests were denied. Judge Roper said allowing a transgender man to choose a male name would confuse or mislead the general public.
In essence, the judge's justification, but also lays bare the illogic of it all because, in fact, it's confusing to the public now.
Attorney Beth Luttrell says aside from being illogical and irrelevant, the judge's decision also violates civil rights.
It is sex discrimination when the court says, when the government says, your name is not male enough or female enough.
Judge Roper did not respond to a request for an interview today. The men's attorney says Judge Roper's ruling is unusual. She says Georgia appeals courts typically overturn decisions by trial judges who have denied name changes for transgender people. Feldhaus and Baumert will receive the appeals court's decision within 6 months. Jenny, back to you.